We made $39,000 2023. I am very proud of that. What about you, babe?
I'm proud of it. It was a lot of hard work.
Yeah, she didn't like it as much as me.
I mean, the money was nice, but it was a lot of work.
A lot of work. And now we're reviewing stuff, and we got stuff we need to sell. I will say this before we start selling stuff. I never pay full price. This is an open box from Best Buy. I try to get the best deals that I can before I buy an item.
He does so much research. You just would not believe how much he does.
It is crazy how much research I do on products. What's the best one? We just did a video. This is the ROG, the ROG.
Ally.
Asus?
Asus, yeah.
Asus, or however you want to say it. We just did a review on that, but now it's time to sell it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, and I want to do a screen recording for, I'm going to show taps and touches for you. Start recording. 3, 2, 1, record. Okay, what we have here is eBay. You could do Facebook Marketplace, and maybe we'll show that when we sell some other stuff, but I buy so much crap. So when I was doing eBay, I work 7 days a week. A lot of people, may not know that or may not work 7 days a week. I work 7 days a week. I have, for how long? Do you, since we've been married?
Your entire adult life.
Yeah, since I've been married. If I'm not at my job, I'm doing something else. I've always been like that. I don't know what's wrong with me. But
that's a whole nother story.
if you need to sell some stuff just to get rid of it or to make some money, you need some extra cash, eBay is awesome. I will say this, they do charge fees, like a percentage. We're going to list an item. This is so easy now. Okay. Share items either. Find a match. Whatever. Tell us what you have. Asus.
Yep.
ROG Ally.
First options.
It's real easy. And then we're going to search. Okay, now this is the most important thing.
So what he's doing is looking at ones that are already on eBay.
Okay, so we're going to see what we like out of these, the titles. And I can't remember.
And you're not going to be able to see that.
So this is a 512 gigabyte model. So this is the one at the top's the best, it looks like. So we're just going to pick it, go with it. So open box used. So we want to do used. Don't try to cheat people out. Yeah, the first thing that we should have did is take a picture. Quality photos, okay? So you want to allow all that. You want to push your camera, and you want to take, can you get me the cleaning thing? I'm going to clean this off.
I'll just stop it.
You see how I have this laid out? So the first picture, most people want to get they just want to show the device. I want to show everything that comes with it. And we also have a box, a case, this big charger. You want to show all that with it. And then you want to show, oh, look at that. Mirror finish. Mirror finish. Try to get that glare on there so they can see that it has no scratches. Nothing's tore up with it. Flip the thing over. They know what these are. before they buy them. They know what these look like. You want to show them the specifics on it. As good as you can.
And I think, is it 12 pictures they allow on a post?
It's up to 24 now.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wow.
So when we started off, and I also think you got to power this baby on.
You got to hold it down.
I got to hold it down. Mm-hmm. Show them this thing's working. The lights are working. I don't know if we can't do a video now too.
Wow.
So show them how good it looks. They already know. They're buying a specific model. So we got that done. We can shut this back down. Okay, that's pretty much done. Now you want to show your accessories. You want to show them that's USB-C. USB-C is like, should be factory with everything. So see how I put that in there like that? Boom. We're only at 11 pictures. So you can really like get everything in here. You're sending a box with it, and make sure it's open box. Like show them that, like you bought an open box, whatever. Like just show them the box. If you don't want to send a box, don't send it. Send it in the case. This is just extra. You don't have to send it in there. Now, if you got a case with it, show them the case. Boom. Show it kind of closed. Boom. That's it. Okay. Just done. Now it's going to load them up. It's going to show which one you want for your main. So your main's going to be all of everything. Or you could do one down here. It's up to you. I should have had it on. So I'm going to add a photo. I'm going to have it on. I think this would be better.
There we go.
Okay, so we want to leave this on. And you know what? I may leave this box out. I think I'm not going to send the box because it's going to be extra shipping. I'm not going to do it. I want to send the box. I kept the box. But I'm going to, we're going to wait for that perfect picture. See, and we can make this look better. You want to make it look like you're not a messy Badessi.
What a word.
What a word. I'm sorry for saying that. I apologize. But, you know, fold up these cords and they'll be like, this guy takes care of his stuff. They'll be looking at these photos like, this guy's the best. He takes care of his stuff. He folds up all the cords. He cleans the screen. You don't want to looking like trash on there. You want to get all your money. You want to get all your money. Let's see how we can make that look decent. That doesn't look bad. They can see that that's the stuff. Still looks not good on the camera. Just kind of wrap it up a little bit, kind of push it together. You like that? Yeah, that looks better. Get over it just right. Snap that photo. Snap it again. A little closer. Boom. Do we like the most? Let's say that one there. Now it's our main photo. Look at that. Now we can delete some. Undo. Let's delete.
You don't want to undo.
Let's
It puts
just
it back
leave
on
them.
there.
You know, we got 22, 24. That's fine. Let them have extra. They
Well, take the one off that has the box.
which one?
At the top, the other main photo you had started.
Where? Right here?
Doesn't that have the box? And then you took pictures of the box.
Anything that has a box, we got to delete it because we're getting rid of the box. So delete. Delete. I don't see the box, do you?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so now we're done. We have our title. Now we're going to move to category. It's already there because you picked the same one. Used, 512, 512. New list, faster with AI. Save time by quickly generating detailed item descriptions. Yes, please.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Wow, that is so easy.
Use AI. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, that's great. Looks good. So we're going to go back. We've already got it. Recommended price for buy it now plus offers. So $334. Shipping. Okay, now this is a problem we have. So they're saying it weighs 9 pounds. We're just going to go with this. So we got everything set. We're selling our item. The main thing is getting your photos in there, finding out what you have. Descriptions is easy. The price, it already recommends a price. And then everything's pretty much done. List it for free, and then they will charge you a fee afterwards. So we're going to preview. This is how your item will look. And you can see, look at our shop, Second Chance Shop. Look at our rating, 100 positive reviews.
100%.
Oh, 100%. Used, one available. See full description, our AI generated description. Returns not accepted. Seller's other items, contact items, sell one like this. All right. Looks good. Now here's another way. If you guys want to sell something else. So just do a search on the Asus ROG. Search it. There you go right there. And now we're going to go up here to sold listings. Right there, show 1100. And you guys are going to be able to figure out the prices, the real prices that's sold. These are actually sold of your item. Okay? So look through here and you'll get an idea of what the price should actually be. This is the 27th for $400. Why on earth am I selling mine for $300? Let's see. 346, 360, 329. See, this says non-extreme. Ours is extreme. And that's an important part. You have to make sure that they're not ripping you off. So this is Ally X, so this is a different one. So 370 plus shipping is $13.90. It's got the same stuff as ours. You want to be competitive, but you don't want to lose your butt off your stuff. You need to be selling your tech all the time so you can get new tech. Everybody likes new tech.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think we've covered that pretty well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye. And the kitty cat's in the video.
I don't care. I think that was horrible. What do you think? Like, it wasn't quick enough. Like, weren't we taking screenshots of stuff?
You need to keep going?
Yeah, you can stop.